So, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about biomolecules. So, a biomolecules is normally molecules produced by the living organisms that are essential to carry out their various biomolecular processes. For example, most of the biomolecules are it's a organic compounds. It makes it into an organic compounds. So it's of carbon, can be of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, it's goes on. Okay, so they produce structural and functional support for cells in order to run our metabolic functions. So these are the some of the biomolecules: was carbon dioxide, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. So these are the some of biomolecules used. So here how we'll classify our biomolecules. First one is carbohydrates. So the carbohydrates is of, so we have C. The chemical composition is CH2O. Okay, this is the chemical composition of carbohydrates, and it is the main function is energy source and the structural components. So example can be glucose, starch, and cellulose. Okay, next comes proteins. It's a chain of amino acids. It's used for the functions, enzymatic activity, structure, transport, and defense and all. Examples can be enzymes, hemoglobin, and keratin. And next comes lipids. So lipids is of, it's a composition of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. It's the function is of energy storage. The examples of fats, oils. Next comes nucleic acid. The composition is from uh, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and goes on. So key functions are storage, transmission of genetic info. Examples RNA and DNA. So we'll see what is carbohydrates. It's a organic compound that is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So we have two types: simple carbohydrates, sugars, that is. Next comes complex carbohydrates. These are the two basic types. So what does a carbohydrate does? It it helps in protein sparing. That's our body uses carbs to for energy instead of proteins. And we have quick and stored energy, provide a quick and stored energy, and aid in fat metabolisms, and all. So what are the sources of carbohydrates? Here is, can be rice, wheat, breads, dairy products, sugary fruits and vegetables. So you can have an example here: glucose, it's found in sugar, and fructose, it found in fruits and honey. Sucrose, it's found in table sugar. Lactose, it's found in milk. And glycogen, it found stored in liver and muscles. So what are the importance of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are primary energy storage, and it's prevent ketosis. It's used for building macronucleus, supports in digestive health, and it's used for regulating metabolisms. So, what happens when we have carbonate deficiency? So, the low intake of carbohydrates can lead to a symptoms like headache, fatigue, weakness, nausea, constipation, and several other nutrient deficiencies. So, we have lipids. So, lipids here, it's also a group of organic compounds which are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, chloroform. Okay, they include fats, oils. We have that. Okay, lipids, it's of hydrophobic molecules that are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And these are the types of lipids. We have simple, compound, and derived lipid. So in simple lipid, we have two types, and in compound lipid, we have two types. Okay, so these can be the type of lipids here. And what are the functions of lipids? So it provide long-term energy storage, act as thermal insulators, protect internal organs, and form cell membranes. It's used to help fat-soluble vitamins like A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Its function as signaling molecules in our body. So that's what the function with the functions of lipids. So these are the biomolecule components. Thank you.